Whenever it comes to losing weight and trying to find the best way to start your weight loss journey, or maybe even find a way to keep going with your fitness goals, many of us first think about being able to go out and run by burning off some much needed calories in the gym or maybe out on that hiking trail by the house. But whether it's the high cost of those gym fees or maybe with weather permitting, that hiking trail just isn't going to work out. You're going to need to find some other way to start your morning jog or evening run without having to cough up an arm and a leg to pay a fee or get soaking wet in the rain. Which is why today we're going to be going over the top 3 most popular treadmills that will not only help you lose weight, but save you time and money in the long run. Starting off our list, we have the Nordictrack T-Series 6.5 SI treadmill. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line experience in home treadmills, then you don't want to miss out on the Nordictrack T-Series 6.5 SI treadmill. The Nordictrack is a smart treadmill that comes with a built-in library of on-demand workouts which feature automatic trainer control, where their world-class trainers digitally control your speed and incline for a great workout. Want to give yourself a real challenge? Then take your workout to the next level with Nordictrack's impressive decline and incline capabilities. Stream thousands of live and on-demand workouts between high-energy studio classes or breathtaking global workouts, working towards your fitness goals in the comfort of your home. Of course, if you want to just listen to your favorite tunes to pump you up through your workout, then you're more than welcome to plug in your music device, such as your phone or MP3 player, and jam out while you're jogging through the Alps or running around NYC with the iFit optimization workouts. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5 SI treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage, not to mention that the Nordictrack comes with cushioning that allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. It's even equipped with self-cooling technology. This powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training, from HIIT workouts to endurance runs. Plus, you can be rest assured that the Nordictrack is made of high-quality grade materials to give you a long-lasting treadmill that's going to be able to take a beating no matter what you throw at it with your workout sessions. By the way, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to protect all of your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check the description for our full review along with an exclusive 80% discount if interested. Coming up next on our list, we have the Sunny Health & Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Sunny Health & Fitness Treadmill features 9 built-in workout programs, handrail controls, and a phone/tablet holder that will add comfort and accessibility during any workout routine. The soft drop system will assist you when unfolding the treadmill, avoiding a big slam or damage to your wood/carpet floor. It features a digital monitor that tracks your speed, time, distance, pulse, and calories, which makes it easier to track your fitness goals. Which, speaking of your pulse, the Sunny Health & Fitness Treadmill helps you maintain your target heart rate by measuring your pulse rate with the built-in heart rate monitor on the handlebars. And whenever your workout is done, the soft drop hydraulic mechanism assures safe, hands-free folding and unfolding, making it where you no longer have to fear scuffing your floors when you drop your treadmill's base. Simply tilt and roll out for use or away for storage, with no need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. The wheels at the front of the unit allow you to move your treadmill around with ease. You can even personalize the level of intensity of your workout with 3 different manual incline positions. Simulate running uphill and get those legs burning. Don't forget to stay hydrated in the most demanding of workouts. The convenient drink holder keeps your favorite refreshing beverages at arm's reach. And talk about getting some years out of your treadmill, the Sunny Health & Fitness Folding Treadmill is made of high-quality material that's sure to be your go-to treadmill for many years to come. Last and most certainly not least, we have the XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill combines the quality and performance that you desire with the flexibility of a machine that can be easily folded up and stored away. Specifically designed for the house, the TR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance in mind. The easy-to-read LCD tracks all your necessary workout feedback, including time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. Not to mention that there are 12 preset fitness programs, or the option to choose manual running set for your fitness level. The preset programs are commonly interval-based, 30 minutes each, and the speed varies in the preset programs every 3 minutes automatically, allowing you to increase or decrease speed according to your ability level or running aims. The manual option gives you complete control for you to just run and change speeds as you train, meaning you have a wide range of flexible running options at your disposal. The extra soft deck cushioning technology provides multiple points of cushioning throughout the deck support system for maximum impact absorption, 3 manual incline settings for maximum variety, and a fold-up design making it easy to store away when not in use. Plus, once you have it all folded up and ready to move, the front base is equipped with transporting wheels, making it where once the fitness session is complete, moving the machine to storage becomes convenient and easy. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular treadmills on the market. Which one do you want to go out and grab to begin or continue your workout journey? Are there any treadmills that we missed which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. If you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then click on one of these videos here to learn more.